I like to make things that I need. My washing basket broke, and so I thought, why not make one out of wood? I could have bought one for $6 at the supermarket, but there's no fun in that. Watch along and see how I get on. So this is all my scrap wood that I have from making my bench, actually, making my workbench, I think. That's what it was for. And I need a new washing basket. So I am thinking about making one out of wood. So last night I did a bit of a prototypey thing here. And I think it'll actually work. So I'm just going to run all of these through the planer and so I've just done the other side of the polyurethane on the slats, and I have used the thicknesser to plane this, which is going to be my handles, one at each end of the basket. And I got some 1/4-inch plywood gifted to me by a friend at work, which used to be a packing case, as you can see. So I just cut it roughly down to, well, I don't know how big I'm going to make it yet, but cut it down rough, and gave it one coat of the polyurethane as well, ready for more work on it tomorrow. Okay, I'm starting to think I'm a little bit crazy now, but this is the base for the laundry basket. It is 45 by 30, and I just cut down some old floorboards, and I'm going to glue them on the bottom, so then I can drill the dowel through from the top. Yeah, I still don't know whether it's going to work. I've polyurethaned all the bits there and the dowels. So who knows? No plans, it's all in my head, but we'll find out. This is the tricky part of this, is because the angles go out that way. I'm trying to slide this down to a narrower point, and I am thinking very much so that one day, not one of these times, it's going to the dowel is going to split. Because it's under a lot of tension. Although the further down it gets, it's fine. This end is a little bit better. Don't know. Okay, so I don't think my plan to make the laundry basket, the way I've designed it, is going to work. I'll just show you what I mean. So here it is here. And the problem is that squeezing these ones on when they're going at an angle, it's just not going to work. I'm worried that one of these ones that I do, that's going to snap the dowels. They're under a lot of tension. So I think the only way to do it is to have them vertical, the dowels, which will mean a complete rethink. And also, I don't think I need them quite so close together, but I could do, I'm not sure. But that also means that the base that I made is too small. So it's back to the drawing board for me. Yeah.